Invite the party leader of the DAPK party and former cabinet secretary Eugene Wamalwa.
Nyasaye ber, sechete, erokamano. Your Excellency, the second Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the 10th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya, all protocols observed. May I start by also declaring that I am a son of Homa Bay County. Nimesomea hapa, nimelelewa hapa nikiwa kijana, pahala panaitwa Gendia High School, hapo Karachuonyo. Sasa kwa hivyo wale hawanijui, N-word Wamalwa, N-word Karachuonyo, N-word Agoglo. Na najiunga na wenzangu to welcome all our visitors, our investors for coming to Homa Bay. When we were flying in with His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka, we looked at the bay and Kalonzo said, this place is so beautiful. It reminds him of the Bay of Mexico. And I can assure him that we've seen many other bays, whether it's the Bay of Mexico, or the Bay of Bengal in Asia, or the Bay of Naples in Italy, or the Bay of Plenty, all the way in New Zealand, or the Bay of Navrino in Greece. But I can tell you that this bay, Homa Bay, is one of the most beautiful bays in the world. And therefore we come here not just to celebrate the investment potential in this bay of unlimited potential, but to also appreciate the beauty and to thank our sister Gladys, the governor of this great county, for showcasing this beautiful bay to our investors. We also come here to celebrate great leadership. I was the Minister for Devolution. I worked very closely with the first governor of this great county. And I remember Governor Witi liked saying, awacho kosoka wacho. Owinjore kosoko winjore. Donjo kosoko donjo. Alijaribu kufanya kazi yake vizuri. But coming back to Homa Bay County today, I can tell you, having worked with all the 47 governors, Governor Oparanya akiwa the chair wao, Homa Bay County has one of the best performing governors in the Republic of Kenya. And they say what a man can do, a woman can do even better. We must commend our sister governors, the G7, those sisters of Gladys Wanga who are here and who are doing a great job. So we want to congratulate you and wish you well in what you're doing. Na nilete pia salamu za mama wetu Martha Wangare Karua. Mmezipokea? Tulete salamu pia za ndugu yetu Jeremiah Kioni. They would have been with us here today, but they were in Muranga. Kuna ile kesi ya kina mama walioshikwa katika ile shrine, na wako Muranga kutetea hao kina mama. So Gladys, Martha has said she wishes you well, and she wishes that the good people of Homa Bay gives you a second term. Tuseme wanga tano? Wanga tano? Tunaleta pia salamu za Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta. Mumezipokea? We spoke this morning and I told him we were coming to Tom Mboya University. And he sent his greetings. But he also reminded me that his last trip to Nyanza, his last trip to Western Region, was when he signed his last charter and he gave the charter of the great University of Tom Mboya. Prof, we wish you well as you grow this great institute in the memory of a great son of this soil. We wish you very, very well. He also came to Mbita to look at the causeway there, at the port. Na kule Western he gave us 2 charters apart from the Tom Mboya University. Alitupa charter ya Alupe in Busia na akatupa charter ya hapa Kaimos University. So as we are here to celebrate, we also wish you well and may God bless the great county of Homa Bay.
Asante sana, and thank President Uhuru for us for the charter of Tom Mboya University, which is promising to be the hub for growth in Homa Bay and the region. I'd like to